Do you still take notes on paper when measuring? If yes, do it. Let's break up. Fact Measure. Fact Measure software that can link data from measurement tools and record data to database. Software can link data from small tools by cable or wireless, and can link data by RS-232 cable. Also we can link by read data from file. After we record data, we can export data recorded to Excel file, and we can analysis data recorded, example. X-bar R chart, IMR or XMR chart, box plot, and histogram. Also we can calculate standard deviation, CP, CPK, PP, PPK and run rule. And of course we have more than that. Whether the approve function, monitoring function and it a notification function through email, we also have. If you need more software information, contact us. IKKI, giving shape to your dream.